my channel. So for those of you who are watching my video for the first time, I'm Shweta and I'm currently studying and living in the Netherlands. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys and show you what's in my backpack or my everyday carry. So I've been planning on making this video for a long time, and due to some or the other reason, it always got delayed or postponed. But here it is, finally I'm making this video. So although Nordisk gifted me this backpack, my opinions are not at all biased, and I'm going to tell you guys why I think this is the best backpack I have used. So let's get started. So I carry all my stuff for the university in this backpack. So it is a very spacious backpack and you can just fit in everything you need for your weekend getaways or just for your daily commute. And I particularly love this color. Also the material and the fabric of this bag is pretty awesome. So let's get started and I'll show you what's inside my backpack. So it has two small pockets in the front, as you can see, and there is this one big compartment where I can fit in my laptop, iPad and all my notebooks. Okay, so in the first pocket, it is the most important thing which we all need right now is the face mask and hand sanitizer. So these are the two things which I keep in the front pocket so I can easily grab them when I need it. In the next one, I have bike lights. So if you're in Netherlands, then you know how important these bike lights are. And if you're planning to come to the Netherlands, then you should know कि यहाँ पे there are very strict rules bike को लेके, and you must have these lights. अगर तुम्हारे पास नहीं है and if you're caught, then you have to pay fine, which is a lot. The next thing which I have is this pocket planner from Alicia. So I like it. It's really small and handy and it can easily fit in this pocket. And I can quickly grab it and note down or just check my schedule. So it's perfect and I love this planner. And also there is one interesting thing which I want to show you guys is this backpack has this small key latch or how you can say it, like extendable key latch thing wherein you can attach your home keys or car keys so that you don't misplace it. Okay, so now let's start with the big compartment. Okay, the first thing and the most important thing which I think every research student has in his or her backpack is the lab coat. So it is my spare lab coat. I don't need it or I don't use this lab coat because we get the lab coats from our lab itself and we have to use those. But I just keep it in spare in case I need it. The next thing is my laptop, and this backpack has a dedicated compartment for the laptop and you can easily fit in 15-inch laptop inside this backpack. So this is my laptop, and like I told you guys, I have shifted to digital note taking the last year, and this laptop has been my best companion. So during the lockdown, we had to shift to work from home and I attended all my online lectures from this laptop, and I also use it to write down essays or write down articles or research papers that I'm working on. All of this stuff, I do it from my laptop. So the next thing is my iPad. So I have this 11-inch iPad Pro and it can also easily fit into this compartment. And like I told you, iPad has made my transition to digital note taking so much smoother and simpler, and I just totally love it. So I take all my notes in my iPad. So I have everything in here. Also I read my research papers or articles in my iPad, and it's very easy to stay organized because I have arranged all my research papers or articles I need to read into different folders, and I can easily read it and underline or highlight the stuff which is important for me. Okay, so the next thing in my backpack is my Sony noise cancellation headphones, and these were a gift from my friend Amit when I got selected here in the Netherlands at Radboud University. And I think these are the best companion I have had because the noise cancellation that these headphones provide is just so awesome and it's just unparalleled. But these headphones have been a great companion or help to me when I'm studying because I live in a student housing and sometimes it can be very disturbing. So when I need to focus or just concentrate, I use these headphones. I think these are the best noise cancellation headphones in the market and I totally love them. The next thing is this planner. So this is the planner from Alicia, and I have made a dedicated video on this planner or how I use it and my goals for 2021. So I use this planner to plan everything or just write down how my day was for bullet journaling. The planner she designs is really colorful and quirky, and I love the way she doodles. I love her doodling, and the stickers. I just love the stickers. They are really amazing, and a lot of you guys were asking about the stickers on my laptop. So these are the stickers from her planner itself. And so this is the planner or diary which I have in my backpack. The next thing is my lab journal, or just my lab book. So I note down or write all the experiments which I'm planning for the week, or the experiments which I did, and I like to keep a log of everything I do in the lab. It's just so much easier if you have everything documented, and I personally have this habit of just writing down all the experiments I did, and also keep a track of it by dating it and write down the results. We do have an electronic journal or e-lab to keep a track of all the experiments, but I prefer to write down all the experiments in my notebook so that it's much more organized and I can have a look whenever I want. So that's my lab journal. So the next thing in my backpack is this external hard drive. So I have two of these drives, and so one of the drive is for my personal documents or the videos I shoot or the images which I click for, stuff like that, and also for my notes and all my ebooks. So I use it for that. And the other one is totally for my lab purpose. So the experiments we do and the data we generate, it's a pretty huge file, and I like to keep a separate drive for that, just in case we lose the data which is in the lab computer. So I have all my lab data in this, and especially if those are microscopy images, then it's a very big file, and it's always good to have a backup for all your lab data. So the next is this power bank from Anker. I don't often use this power bank because I keep all my devices pretty much charged every time. But when I'm traveling or just when I go out during the weekends, it comes in real handy because I can not only charge my phone from this, but it also charges my iPad. So it's pretty convenient, and it's always nice to have this power bank. So the next thing is sunglasses. So I got these glasses from India when I came here, and I always keep it in my backpack. Then there are pens and stuff like that. So there is a special pen pocket in this backpack, and it's really nice. So I always lose my pen and pencils, so it's always good that it has a separate pocket and I can always keep pens in that pocket. And then there is a separate slot, a compartment for all the cards you need to keep in. So all your debit or credit cards, iCards, and the lab pass. So it's really nice. It has like small pockets, and the cards can easily fit into them. So I do have a bunch of cards. So this is just my lab pass, and we need this to get access into the labs. Then I have this ID card, or the residence permit for the Netherlands. Then this is my university card, my debit card. The next one is the coffee card, so to get free coffee in the lab. And then I have bunch of other cards like the supermarket cards like Albertine, so you get special discounts if you use this bonus cards. This is my travel card. So this is the OV chip card which you get here in Netherlands, and it makes your travel and commute much easier. So yeah, these are the bunch of cards which I have in my bag. And then let's see what else we got. And okay, so this is other small things, like this is the utility pouch which I have in my bag, and it has stuff like, you know, hair bands and comb, lip balm. Then I have sanitary napkins in here. So all that stuff, I just keep it in this utility pouch. The next thing is gloves. Then next is the cap. And the last thing is this wind cheater or raincoat, whatever you would like to call it. So I always have it in my bag because the weather here in Netherlands is really unpredictable, and it can rain anytime. So it's always handy if you have your raincoat with you. And the good thing, or the best thing about this backpack is it is water resistant. So the other thing which I would like to show you guys is this anti-theft pocket at the back. So I don't need it when I'm going to the university or for my everyday carry, but it comes in real handy when you're traveling. So when you're traveling, you can just store all your important documents or your passport in this anti-theft pocket. And then there is this small hidden pocket for your water bottle, or you can just keep in your umbrella, and I love it. So when you're not using it or you don't need it, all you have to do is just sneak it inside, and that's it. So that's about it. These are the things which are in my backpack. I hope you guys like the video, and also I would like to tell you that these are the things which I carry or which I have in my backpack. They may not be as minimal as I want them to be, but these are the stuff or things which I need and I use in my daily day-to-day life. I'm in no way saying that you need all of these gadgets as a student. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and take care.